so I think I sent the schedule. It is after the pump session. It's maybe the 4th session or something like this. Now, if you have any question, please ask me. Camera, I have a problem for the camera, so I tried to solve it during this weekend. Because actually now I open the camera, but I think no one see me. Correct? Or you see me?
No, we cannot see you.
I don't know why. The red color, it is open behind camera on the laptop, but I don't know what's exactly problem here. So I tried to solve this problem during the weekend, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Sir, in the exam, will they ask any repeated questions or no?
Ask what?
In the exam, will they ask repeated questions? The frequent to asking questions.
Ask for figure question.
FAQ questions. Will they ask in FAQ questions? Frequently asking questions.
50%, yes. If you pass correct, say 50%, you are passed. Whatever the grade you need. Grade is dependent for your number of experience, how many years of experience. But all from training up to grade A only required 50%, 16 questions. All question is multiple choice, MCQ.
Sorry, sir.
All question MCQ, not all question MCQ.
Yeah, his question is like the questions like last year, before year, or this year, continuously the question repeats or different question comes?
Normally is repeated, but we try still we collected the if you any question coming, for example, for new exam have some question new. We already anyone go for the exam and pass, alhamdulillah, is share the question, what is the experience, because actually I make training, alhamdulillah, from 2.5 years, something like this, for mechanical part.
That's good.
So we collect different questions from different engineers post exam for different pages.
Yeah. See, for PMP and all, we may need to write on a paper or something like that. So we have a option there, like
BMP what?
For PMP, for critical paths and all these things. So we may need to write on a piece of paper, like, you know, to find out the.
Yeah, they will provide a paper.
BMP, it's
for
already
practice, rough notes.
Rough notes.
You have notes. I think it's sent you by.
Yeah, they will. No, in exam, they will provide notes, rough notes.
Yeah, that's okay.
In exam?
Yeah, in exam for rough write.
Rough paper, right? For calculation and all.
What I mean of rough notes?
You meant to say is to solve the problem, they will give an answer sheet, plain sheet.
External sheet for answer?
No.
To solve the problems.
Do they give a white paper to write down?
Yes,
solutions or anything to do the calculation or something like that? Do they provide it? They provide, right?
Yes, it is allowed for you for one paper. It's given to you by the examiner and the pencil. Only this allowed.
Okay. That's
calculator should be choose the calculator in the PC itself.
We are not allowed.
Not allowed. You will go inside only by your ID. That's it.
So they will not allow the calculator.
Close mic if you don't if you don't talk for anything, just close mic. What you said, please. Again, your question.
Calculator also.
Again.
Calculator.
Calculator external not allowed. The only calculator allowed the PC calculator. We will see this one together and apply it together for this one. No more clarification for anything?
Doctor, we have some questions in the, I saw them in previous exam, but need answer. What's the best way? Shall I post it on the group or?
You can post in the group for anyone you can solve it or help. And also you can send me also in the private number for WhatsApp.
Okay.
I am already with you in the group. So anyone you can send me for private for any time. Sometimes maybe I can't reply for the same day, but you can make refreshment for me. I can answer for next day or something. No problem for that.
Okay.
Not more question? Anyone have a question?
Yes, sir. I never use a calculator in PC, so it will be different type.
Slightly, yes. We can go here. This is a calculator. You see the calculator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is a calculator for the PC. Here, this is standard calculation. If you need more functions, so you press here and use it scientific to use it more that function. So if you don't use a lot for the calculator for PC, we need from you to be more practice for two things: for the unit calculator itself, to try to visit different function, and you know how to use it, how to make this, how to make this. And second thing for units. Why I focus for units and tell you this is 50% for the exam? You tell me it is exam, it is not only the units. Yes, because the normally almost 90% or more than 99%, the problem coming in the British unit: feed, bound force, bound mass, slug, and so on, horse power, and so on. There is not coming by SI unit. And almost all engineers study engineering by SI unit. So it is not easy to solve the problem by British unit. And the second problem, British unit, it's have some tricks, like, for example, for mass, it's have bound mass and slug, and we have a conversion between these two. For force pressure, it's PSI, and the bound will feet square. We have different tricks, special unit for British. So we need to be clear and make more practice, especially for pressure. So here we will make a lot of practice for that.
They will make the question tricky as a FPS system and